making the 3D flow was git design. Okay, go to design mechanical surface, be at each option, select the part and select the plane is by chip plane. Okay, rotate it with angle reference rotated axis and 10-degree rotation. Okay, enter the zoom option, you can see it. Okay, here now this we already rotate the x plane, so now we next time we will offset. How the offset? You can check it out. Now the select this offset plane and create a geometry. Create a random geometry and we enter the some designs. We already have the designs. Yeah. Okay. Just random design drawing. Enter the angle. All 135 around. If you want to change, you can change it. Demo. Degree rotations. Here is a 10 mm, so we have the clockwise rotations and the some space for the from rotation axis. Yeah, the curve axis radius we already 7 by axis. The same process we will create the in x-axis but in negative axis. Now this search already we have now this time we have created a geometry. We are just taking the photo 3D layer. Okay, we will select the next option is the joint. So we go the circle area, joint pointed, this pointed, and select the tangency. Tangency means one plane to another plane. Okay, here not reverse action is good. Same process we will follow the next side. Okay, click here, point here, select the point. Okay, good. Now they create the surface is created. Okay. Now the next, okay, here we will next option is the joint because we need the only single surface. So we will joint here, 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 and here. Okay. Great. Now the surface is my surface is joint. Okay, here the select the plane, offset here, create a geometry is square circle. I think like you can select 5 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm as you decide in geometry. Yeah, now constraint, click here. Okay, done. Enter the dimensions 2 mm. Okay, start the mechanical drawing. We will go to the part design because we need this solid surface area. Okay, good. Okay, here. almost is divided 60, we can actually find the angle or rotate it is z-axis. Okay, you can find it. We will wait because it's lot of geometry will create, so it will take in the time. So you can wait. Okay, you can see it. Look this geometry. You can changes rotations just like this. I have the select 60. You can use the okay